Vintage automobiles need careful dent restoration to preserve originality, value, and factory finish. Classic cars often have thicker panels and older paint, making them easier to crack or distort during repairs. Start with a careful inspection. Check the metal, panel structure, paint condition, past repairs, and any rust or corrosion. Paintless techniques should stop immediately if paint begins peeling, cracking sounds occur, or oil canning, panel instability appears. Proper diagnostics rely on strong lighting, reflection tools, line/fog boards, and constant crown detection. Use PDR rods when you have rear access and glue pulling with quality tabs when you don't. Avoid bodywork adhesives. Heat control is essential. Keep panels around 100 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit to reduce cracking risk. Protect trim with low-tack tape and coverings, and use wax for easier glue tab removal. Clean the area, mark crowns, apply gentle heat, relieve crowns, make small pushes, and alternate glue pulls with tap downs while checking reflections. Body lines require ultrafine work and may not fully return without minor filler. Finishing involves safe glue removal, gentle polishing, rust protection, and documenting results. Professionals are recommended for complex damage, fragile paint, double skin dents, or severe crowns.
If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@dentworxpaintlessdentrepair.com.